Hey everyone, Rudy here with Caesar. So we have a fun little video for you guys today because we finally got in our brand new EasyPress from Cricut, okay? So real cool video. We're gonna go ahead and test some different materials with the settings that were given by Cricut. Stay tuned to show you this application process. Alright guys, so what I have here is my telephone where you guys will see I'm on the Cricut.com website. Now you can also go ahead and use the application, okay? But the nice thing about this is we have the EasyPress 2 here, the one that we're working with today. Now here we have the option for heat transfer materials, and it gives us certain options here, okay? The first material we're gonna apply is gonna be glitter, so we'll select that. It's 100% cotton shirt, but they do have a nice selection of different materials here and different fabrics. And then finally, we're gonna say either we're gonna use the Cricut EasyPress mat or towel. In this case, I'm using something a little bit different, but very similar to that EasyPress mat. Okay, so we'll hit apply, and that's going to give me the actual settings for this application. Now, this is in Fahrenheit, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it to Celsius, and there we have it, 170 degrees for 30 seconds, okay? So let's go over here and show you exactly how this is going to be applied. Alright guys, so here's the EasyPress. Nice handle here for us to use and work with while lifting and placing onto the garment. Now it also has a nice flat surface here, as you guys can see, that lets us apply those transfers quite easily, and also comes with a nice stand. The stand is elevated, as you guys can see here, has little legs, and that allows us to maintain the heat above the surface area where we're placing the EasyPress, okay, so it doesn't damage the table. Now, let's go up here to our little dialogues here, little buttons, and show you how we can change the settings for each material. So we have our power button, so let's go ahead and turn on our EasyPress. Now, to change the temperature, we're gonna go to the thermostat right here. We're gonna go ahead and click on that. And now with the plus and minus signs here, we can increase, let me go ahead and do that again. We can increase or decrease the temperature. Let's go ahead and click on the little clock here to change the settings for the time. And again, we can use that plus or minus symbol there to accomplish that. Once we're ready, let's go ahead and click on that button again. We'll wait till that temperature goes up to 170, as we saw earlier. That is the temperature required for the glitter. So there it goes, 170. The nice thing is, once it reaches that temperature, it turns green. The little Cricut logo right there turns green. That tells us we are ready to apply. So let's go over here and show you how that works. Alright guys, so what you'll see is I'm actually working with, this is a pillow covered with a Teflon material around it, okay? This is normally what we use, or what we call a Teflon pillow. In other cases, to elevate certain areas to apply the transfer to. But this should work great as a replacement for the EasyPress mat, okay? We don't have the mat available here with us, so we're improvising a little bit here, okay? You can also use a towel if that's a little bit more convenient for you. Now, we're going to be applying today our Glitter 2 material. We have our PS Electric, a beautiful metallic finish there. And then we have, well, as you guys know it, the PS Film or Easy Weed. All right, guys, so I went ahead and placed the pillow underneath the garment. And like any other type of transfer, we're gonna go ahead and first preheat the garment here for just a few seconds. Typically around 3 to 5 seconds, okay? That's gonna remove any moisture and also any wrinkles from the surface area where we want to apply these designs to. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our glitter here. We're gonna place it exactly where we wanna place the transfer, and let's go ahead and use our EasyPress. So we're gonna place our EasyPress directly on top of my design, and I'm gonna press the little C logo there, and that's going to start down the countdown. All right, so there it goes. The little beep tells me that it is done. Now, glitter is a hot peel, so let's go ahead and peel that hot, and there we have it, guys. Okay, so now that we have the glitter applied on the front, it is recommended, because we're working with 100% cotton, that we flip the shirt around and apply for another 15 seconds, okay? All right, guys, so that glitter pressed perfectly. Now we have our PS Film and PS Film Electric here ready to apply. I went ahead and changed the settings to 160 degrees. That is what's recommended on the Cricut website. Now, the nice thing is, because these two materials are right around the same thickness, we're gonna go ahead and apply those two together, okay? So let's go here. We're still at 30 seconds, so let's press our Cricut logo. And here we go. Now I do like to apply a little bit more pressure than the recommended. Again, these products are pressure sensitive, so the pressure does make a big difference in the application, okay? All right, guys, there we have it. Let's go ahead and remove that carrier. Perfect, okay? So there we have it, guys. Looks like those are applied. Okay, guys, and just like the glitter, we're gonna go ahead and flip that shirt around and apply for another 15 seconds, again, because we're using 100% cotton. All right, guys, there you have it. So we just applied glitter, PS Film, and PS Film Electric using the EasyPress here from Cricut. Thank you all for joining us.